going on, YouTube? We're going to be replacing a cabin air filter today into a Acura Tlx 2019 A Spec SH all-wheel drive. All right, first thing you're gonna want to do, remove this bad boy right here. Just slide right on out. Okay, next thing you can see, you have this little like plastic piece, so you can reach your finger right under. Go and pop that right off, nice and easy. All right, after getting that last piece off, you got this one here, clip on the side, pull that, push it in, bring it towards you, and it should just pop right on off. All right, got the dirty filter in here. It says Honda on it, even though we are in an Acura. Pull that guy out. Oh yeah, filthy. All right, just unbox my new air filter. You'll definitely want to check the one you buy. It'll always tell you what direction that you should insert it in. So now, down in there. Squeeze that guy right on in. Boom. All right. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the parts from before. Alright, y'all, as long as your glove box is nice and cleaned out, shouldn't take more than 2 or 3 minutes to get an air filter in there. Most cars are generally the same. So yeah, just got this Bosch one in there, old one over there, all good. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, you know what to do. Take care.